Howdy folks, Luke here at Kuhn Truck and RV with a 1-minute walkthrough on this 2006 Gulfstream B Touring Cruiser 5230. This RV measures 24 feet bumper to bumper, has passed our full inspection, and has brand new tires. The full body paint on this small but spacious RV is sure to turn heads wherever you go. The dual jackknife sleeper sofas serve as well for sleeping and movie nights as they do for dinner and games. There is ample overhead storage and 2 large closets to store belongings. The spacious fridge-freezer runs on propane or electricity. Meal prep is simple with the microwave convection oven or 3-burner propane cooktop. The kitchen offers even more cabinet space for extended adventures. The bathroom offers even more storage and room to move about. For pricing on this RV and other small motorhomes, visit truckandrv.com.